Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I am decorating my front entryway table for Christmas, doing a little snowman topiary DIY, and cleaning a little bit as well. Stay tuned. Before I decorate, I like to move things around and clean everything really well before I put my decorations out. So that is what I'm doing now.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the river's in the rain is falling. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary.
Now that I have cleaned and started my decorating, I decided to make a topiary snowman, and I did this using 2 greenery balls and securing the small one on top of the large one with just some floral pins, and I just used a ribbon to tie for a scarf, and I just put a little hat on, and I'm going to use this on my bottom shelf to help hide the outlets.
Always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is falling. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Here we go. Dance, dance, this Christmas. We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
I think the snowman topiary turned out really cute. I was thinking outside the box, and I wanted it just to kind of look like a snowman a little bit, but not be like complete snowman. And I did not like the table runner on my entryway table, so I removed that, and I added 2 silver deer. And I had these pumpkins in October when I decorated for fall, and I'm just going to use a few of them and turn them over because they look like snow, and I'm just going to create a pretty winter scape on my table.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is falling. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary.
putting some garland with some lights on the table, but with the 2 lamps, I felt like it looked good exactly as it was, so I kept it like that. I did add 2 red tassels, one to each lamp, just to add a little red to my color scape. And then I worked on the bottom a little bit. I'll probably come back and make some changes, but I like the way it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I am so close to 500. Please hit that subscribe button and click on the bell notification, and I will see you guys in the next one. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Have a great day.